Hi everybody, John Roque with Peoria Rescue Ministries, soon to be Pathway Ministries. Hey, it's as you can see, Tuesday, cold, snowing, gonna get more this weekend. And so there's lots of people. I got a great coat on and I got a home to go to, but there's gonna be a lot of people that don't. And so we wanna thank you for providing that. We hope they come, stay with us, have some lunch, and then learn. Learn about a pathway from poverty to progress through Jesus. And then that they go from learning to living a life of hope, life of freedom, a life of sobriety, a life where they can have community. So thank you for all you do to make that happen, and make sure we pray that you will keep safe in this storm as well, and everybody, those who have a home and those who don't.